Welcome back. This is Faysal from TechForBlog. In this video, I will show you how to use Messenger on PC or laptop. You can use Facebook Messenger on PC or laptop by three different ways. One, web-based; two, by a software; three, by using emulators. Step by step, we will cover all ways. Just stay tuned with us. Before we start, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for future updates. First of all, you need to open a browser and go to messenger.com. In here, just put your Facebook number or email and password. Then click login button. This way is called it web-based Facebook Messenger. Hope you think I don't like web-based Messenger. Then how can I use Messenger as a software? Well, don't worry, Messenger is also available as a software. Click on desktop app, then simply download Messenger by click on download button. After complete downloading, just click on it or open it. Then wait few seconds until installing process is complete. Then just log in your Facebook account. That's it. And there is another way to use Messenger, but it is not recommended. And this way you need to install an Android emulator software for using Messenger. Basically, Android emulator helps in creating an Android virtual device or ADV on your PC. It can be used for running apps from Google Play Store on Windows or MacOS. There are many kind of Android emulators exist like BlueStacks, NoxPlayer, LDPlayer, MeMU, etc. In my case, I am using BlueStacks 5. So open your BlueStacks. Then open Play Store and search for Messenger. Click the install button and wait few seconds or minute until downloading and installing process is complete. After complete installing, just open it and log in your Facebook or Messenger account. And it's done. That's it. If you like this video, hit the like and share button, or if you have any query, please put a comment. Thank you.